Namaskar. Welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today I am preparing Rava Appam. This instant Rava Appam will take only 5 minutes of cooking time. Soft and fluffy appam will be heavenly delicious along with the red chutney. Let us see at first how to cook red chutney. Here I am taking 1/4 cup of peanut. Dry roast the peanut at low flame. It's been 5 minutes now. Peanuts are roasted. Now I am pouring the peanuts in a plate. Once the peanuts become cool down, have a look. If you rub the peanuts, the skin will come out. Now I am taking 1/4 cup of roasted gram dal. Dry roast around 2 to 3 minutes at low flame. Now keep it aside. Roasted gram dal in a plate. In a small pan, add 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil and add 1/8 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Keep the flame at low and add 1 garlic clove. Now add 2 whole red chillies. If you like more spicier, then add 2 more whole red chillies. Fry everything at low flame. Now in a mixer jar, add roasted peanuts and roasted gram dal. Then add roasted masalas and add a little bit of tamarind and a half teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Now add little water and grind it into a smooth paste. Have a look, it is so creamy. Keep the paste in a small bowl. For seasoning, keep the small pan on the flame. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and 1/8 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start splattering, add 2 pinch of asafoetida or hing. Then add few curry leaves and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. Spread the seasoning on top of the red chutney. Yummy red chutney is ready. For Rava Appam, I'm taking 1 cup of Uppama rava. Add rava directly inside the mixer jar. Then add half a cup fresh yogurt or curd. Now add 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, half teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Grind it in a mixer jar and make it as a smooth paste. I am pouring rava batter in a container. Looks like batter is little thick, so I am adding little water to the batter. Thick batter will result chewy and dry appam. Lastly, I am adding half teaspoon of Eno fruit salt. Mix the batter slowly because we don't want to break the air bubbles. Have a look, so much of air bubbles inside the batter. I am keeping cast iron pan on the gas stove. My pan is hot, so I am putting rava batter on top of the dosa pan. For this instant Rava Appam, we no need to use single drop of oil. Hence, appam can do on top of the steel pan or on the non-stick pan. Here I didn't cover the lid. Have a look. The Rava Appam having holes everywhere. Cook around 2 to 3 minutes in a medium flame. The appam is ready. This time I am pouring rava batter on top of the dosa pan and covering the lid. 2 to 3 minutes later, I am removing the lid. Rava Appam cooked perfectly. And have a look, it is so shiny. Now I will show you what is the difference between these two appams. This appam cooked without covering the lid. Have a look. Few minutes later, it has a crack everywhere and it is dry too. Now look at this appam. We have covered the lid while cooking. It is so shiny, no crack on top of the appam, and it is so soft. Have a difference between these two appam. Adding little bit of sweet will give excellent color to the backside of the appam. Enjoying appam with this red chutney is heavenly delicious. In my measurement, I did around 6 to 8 appam. Try this instant Rava Appam today and do share this video with your friends and families. Please subscribe my channel for healthier and tastier recipes. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Thank you.